Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming admin rights and saving any open files. This prevents data loss. Once done, open Settings and navigate to Apps or Open Control Panel and choose Programs and Features. Make sure to identify the exact product name, Word, Excel, or Microsoft 365, because removal steps differ. If you have a retail key or subscription, note it now. Doing these essential checks upfront speeds the uninstall and avoids confusion later. You're ready to select the correct app next. You select the app in the list and click Uninstall or Change, then follow the wizard prompts. Pay attention to choices. Choose Quick Repair first because it's faster and often fixes issues without full removal. If problems remain, use Online Repair, which reinstalls core files. For Microsoft 365 subscriptions, sign out and deactivate the device before uninstalling to free a license. Make sure to watch progress bars and restart when prompted. This prevents locked files and ensures a clean next step. You finish by restarting the PC to release any locked files, then check and remove leftover folders such as C, /program files /Microsoft Office, or app data entries if you want a fresh start. If you plan to reinstall, sign into your Microsoft account and use the install link, or use your original installer media. If something goes wrong, installation fails, or app still appears, use the Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant. It automates repairs. Make sure to document error codes for faster help from support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.